Hello everybody, Awkward Comic is back, and I am here to give to you, the Awkward Comic Nation, a must-seen figure review. Today's figure review is on the Overwatch Figma Reaper, and this figure is just absolutely amazing. I love it. I love it. I love this figure. I just like Reaper. Reaper is just awesome. Tragic backstory aside, he's a kick-ass character. And now for articulation. Well, I want to say articulation. Right here is a close-up on his face, his Reapery face. Yeah, he's just nicely detailed all the way around to his spinal cord of his suit, to his gloves, to his boots, his shotgun shells. Absolutely amazing. And being a Figma, he's got a good range of articulation. These right here have their own joints, so you can move them around to get them out of the way of poses. His legs can go that much forward, that much back. He can go out a little bit, but you can work it in a way you can make him look like he's doing a high kick. He's got a over 90-degree knee bend with a movable knee pad to accommodate said high kick. His feet can go up, down, pivot, and kind of rotate. He's got toe joint. Very, very stiff toe joint, though. He does have a little bit of a waist. It's hard to move just due to the design of his jacket and these. He has a full range in his upper body area. His torso, his arms can go all the way around. Got a finagle with his arm joint, though. That happened. Luckily he's on a ball joint. I'll just set it aside. Nothing broke. Ball joint. And he does have a elbow, a rotation at the elbow, and a rotation at the bicep. His hands are on a ball joint / hinge. You get a little tilty. Let me just take Reaper off camera so I can pop his arm back on. There we go. There we go. I popped his arm back on. And for the head articulation, you kind of have to remove his hood to do so. He can look up, he can look down, he can look left or right. He's got a hinge at the neck as well, so you can get him to look forward a little more. So you can get him to go, boo. And this is also a matter of however you want his head to look. What kind of position you want his head to look within the hood. And there you go. And for accessories, he comes with quite a bit. Set him here. Raise it up a little bit so you can't still see him. He comes with 2 effect parts for his shotguns. comes with both his shotguns. He comes with a buttload of hands. He comes with 2 shotgun holding hands. He does come with 2 open hands. And he comes with 2 regular Figma holding thing hands with holes in them, so you can get him holding other Figma accessories if you want. And he comes with his thumbs up and what? That's my cat. She's not part of this review. And to get his hands off is very easy. You just give it a little turn and pull. Like so. Turn and pull. And his alternative hands are easy to get on. I will give him his shotgun holding hands. So I can show you what Reaper looks like holding his shotguns. And to store the other hands, the hands you take off, you can just put them on these very easily, very nice little clear pegs. Clear stand pegs for his hand, for his alternative hands. There we go. And now we just get those situated in, and these shotgun holding hands will you won't screw his hands up trying to get his shotguns in. They're done in a way where you can get them in and out easily. And then, yeah, and there's Reaper with his Hellfire shotguns. And they look amazingly even better when you plug in his effect pieces for, again, his Hellfire shotguns. They are amazingly done, and you can get him in his ult signature pose. I watched more reviews of this guy. I found an easy way, because with the effect part in it, it does want to bring his arm down. So what you do is you kind of turn his arms, have his shoulders like this. Rotate them in a way where the weight is not weighing his ball joints down. So you can get him in his ult pose. And I'm just going to take him off camera for a sec so I can get these effects parts off and get him positioned in another pose. That you can get Reaper in. Which is my favorite pose to get him in. tricky. But you can get him in also his other signature pose for when he's teleporting. He does come with another little effect piece, and it's his sinking into the floor and rising out. But I have that stored away for obvious reasons, as you saw her make a brief cameo in this video. She likes to play with anything she can get her little paws on. And you can also, with his open hands, get him into his shrug pose. His iconic shrug. But I'm not going to do that right now, because I want to get into some comparisons. So I can get to my final thoughts of the video. I'm just going to keep it situated. Alright. First up for size comparisons, here's Reaper with Hasbro Ultimate's Tracer. And he actually does sizes well with Tracer. I'll just put her back there for now. Here he is with his fellow Talon teammate, Sombra. And again, I think they size up fairly well. I'll put Sombra over here. Seen rank Overwatch. Main organization no bueno. That's my first Sombra impression. Here he is with a flash from his past. Anna. Yeah, he sizes up well with her. And I will get to reviewing her in one issue I have of her, but it's a minor issue. And most likely you will see him pop up in that review for comparisons and to demonstrate something that you can do with Anna with her open hands she comes with. I'll put Anna right there. And then here he is with another flash from his past, but she's all grown up. Farah. The last time Gabriel saw little Farah, she was just a wee girl in her mother's arms. And let's put Farah right there with her mama. Let's move Tracer a little. There. Tracer. Farah. There you go. Farah. Stan Blue Horus. That's what she looks like. Horus, but blue. And then here he is with, I don't think these two have ever met when he was alive. I think they did, but I could be wrong. Someone clarify that in the description for me. Go in the comment section. Here he is with the angelic Angela Mercy. I think that's accurate. She is a tall woman. And let's put her right there. Move Sombra a little bit. Let's move Sombra behind Farah because again, the majority of the characters I have are from the organization, the Overwatch organization. That's a little issue I have with Farah, but I'll get to her in the review. It's also very minor. Let's put these two together, right there. And then here he is with a major flash of his past, the one man that Gabriel Reyes wants to see dead. Jack Morrison, aka Soldier 76. And I don't know if that's accurate. I think it is, because due to Gabriel being Hispanic, he is a Mexican. Well, not. Should I say it? He's a little. He's got some Hispanic in him, so I think this might be accurate. I think he might be shorter than Jack Morrison, but again, feel free to clarify in the comment section if that's true or not, or if any of the sizing that I said look accurate. Feel free to correct me. Yep, there he is with his former well, I wouldn't say best friend, his former teammate slash friend, until the United Nations named him the leader of Overwatch, except for him, and made him Blackwatch's leader, which, it's alright. But yeah, this is Reaper, and I like him. He is really, really good. He does fit in with the Hasbro Ultimate Overwatch figures. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So I hope you like this review, and as always, like, comment, share, and subscribe to your friends and family. I have a description link to my Facebook page. Feel free to check it out. I usually do post upcoming reviews and upcoming projects I work on, and also feel free to let me know the next review you guys want to see, or the next stop motion you want to see, or want me to create a review or a stop motion. Just feel free to let me know, and peace out, Awkward Comic Nation. I hate everybody here. Mr. Negative. I agree. Huh. I've seen better. What's this better? Hey, Reaper, can we get out of here? I really don't like these guys. I hate you too, Reyes. Morrison. I can't wait to put a shotgun shell through your head. It is going to be amazing. And you're gonna die.